Hello, I was watching hiag na Seansálaithe mas mail seans ghlacu glaciad na Seansálaithe is mise hiúmail cheada agus yes, tá seach na Gaeilge go fáil ag tarlú, it never stops. Céim fa óbhais go bháil ceilú an teanga miltna tuaí meing agus go hop seach na Gaeilge. Tá man seo mar is gra le muid cólachaí le muid chuide ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtimar tú.
Yeah, just chin the hocked in the Gaeilge now, to be honest. That silly old thing, shall fós ar siúl.
Not le dhéag, come on lads.
I mean, galorinis, tá haí go the hocked in the Gaeilge. No, tá mé magu. Frálinn snog, is frálinn.
Is brilliant. Listen, ní bhéin mu dinge a ginsin breig de é dinge bí eile, agus a clasfiá bín a ginsin breig de é ní dinge, tá man chamars le James ó Flahar de James Dubertatu.
Well, ní in mis bre gaint a riúh Tá sé brás go seachna chuige an ling. Tá má cho happy, tá má cho sláánú teachtain seo. Just bhaine muice bar bar an cringe Cam rá go just fi a chomá chusáasta inam hain. Agus sin go aonine a géistecht a bhfuil ge bheith rá gomas baganí brote ascáte dá brnarm ach éon teachtain seo chuma sé ag sána chuma ag icebats chuma ag giche veg so like man I'm back baby I'm fucking back. Téir to gera téir to gera na má go rudúbána dhéine má go chun cín leis se pod cuiile seo sa táchaí hiú má bhéit sa just lád seach mic bugling
Oh sorry, yeah.
tú cin bin sé tíh
Cogarní.
Bí má cogarní.
agus sin má tamúd ná sin dhéine tá sé brasásta cuineal
Agus James, má tá tosam to just beidir cúpla craimh na hair eile winch sa céad cúpla mí eile honest gwil áhar maithe gon na Lord faoi an chat
gamar cí tá go tosí go sus go K2 cheaping. Nímas a chomága, nímas a spócha, nímas a spócha.
Mise siúk, tá má siúk. Tá má sésta ar do hon James. Tá má sésta do hon. Góta go mai cé goró deir seachtain delí ag na hairnaí inis do bhhair ar an rugby. Bhí se Tás go the meme sin where it's like we've never been more back, it's so over. Tás go sin gur sin an móháin a bhí ag an tír omláin ar an sairn nar bhí si de gimmar Sinéad an Fhrainc. Do you know cin éitir ó mise nar bhín chluiche ar siúil bhí me sé éitiart nach mím de gra. Bhí má armatálag ag immers PlayStation agus ru mar gláán dearmad ar an cluiche agus sin from my text ó mo car being like, oh well, this is the town agus me like cén fá me oh yeah sorry yeah sin that would have been actually a bit of crack but bhí sib sin mu le haid na ro.
Well, ní mu an waif chuin an clia, rinne bud an rud is fast de sús rio agus dark muidir sáile i hac. Lu a bug jazz a gin agus caiith mu an lá sin cos lads an níorm is really garc an clia. Mar bhí just an urge an lads hartum bécil no! So níorm actually bhí opt an clia clúistal nó eáil mar gohahan ar imil atólag as mo chóir, but Ila into jazz again, as we should ask James echo.
Ita cute. Bhí sin ahris almost farfa da lads I gurkur ein sport.
I know. I've perfected an ish then urgent de cluiste agam.
Yeah, I can't rá ní go clé Éireann I ríist ag dath ever again. Hálmas chud under sin that I can't go back. Agus ní man, if I go back to the college, so I just.
But you current looked gerarchtú ar maha.
Yeah. No, it's like, ní rumors me agach mé daach, but like that.
Yeah.
Piseoga. Just comes go ash. Actually beter go my home was like daach le chluhévéis éasca go like ceang na tíre tá was that ní slú I down the rugby. Sin má rumors a sin be man an trust á ráise de haach. agus sa góras sin a ríis agus sin basic go hos an basic is just that in France
Roy Mer sin.
Well tá Piseoga út dó James tá like breisttí gurge airhí mí sa caiú nach mín or déna chu tugad le hain na chu hiríis.
so in Nora, toss a goonie bug and then just sign níos massive. So it's like it two to say sure like big to like oh whatever like Cahamar root the bit like during my clay duchlan there's actress in the paid shorts meeker term so with that new hundred and yellow and asam chin their husband was guardian Nora and their husband was a growth that's a crave beer chutter the in the bug nach mar hele agus da harlach root kins elle. Yeah, so can smooth agus stoig se le tí mo pel fresin na Kahama cholerad so mat ma cut no boxers nu shorts nu
Yeah.
stocky nu mitoga Kaha mo chorp tíh lo deise dal stach an dus so ka right foot in dus the boxers right foot in dus as in not like only need all on the right it's like boxers fully on after the
Yeah.
right foot go dus shorts fully on ach right foot dus stocky right stock ma dus mitogi mitogi actually audits so could remember mitog and then a mitog and then I tried this mitog and then I tried this mitog so like really mata go kaha ein tape as in like mata cover on my whoop nu mata like Rutkins Miller kasha idir doof nu bon ni mar me dale
James Tá sin sort crackáilte.
yeah tam brand came the mitog if an séisiir ar fad a fi má fá pe mitog nu rih chole sin cean am agus be a grúige rih chud smú an na chluí frisin like couple
Well den an to sin rih imachtar bí.
Imachtar yeah but yeah just with the book I think are in the medals band here frisin go háir i wall agus chomáile sin for ma bande vi ma sé ik cean gan Shoppy sports is for ma bande LGBTQ+ law 1
Yeah.
as chuma irma it's just rainbow band beyond it ní was it the rainbow weekend was the laces on the kins man bande agus dimmer ma go ma clean sheets to creave and then chuma wa vrish on bande so we might like oh that's fuck
sin.
so an rud in na being the gum shield agus on bande sin immo stokke at a left so yeah sin cholerad víns am sin so I think I've been the picture is the father time look an origin is
origin
Súla lista go fáile sin.
Bhí me literally just a cappa go bhir se just the breach courage air he been tú caiú I thought that was
well that yeah tá ceanna chu sin am so Nora it was the Nikes so Nike boxes look down but Nike agus bhí on you should dove with the dark grey strap Templar agus that was the pair like ní chama iad in everyday life horrible like we should turn on me is chunder clear and then chorme as a cofred so go chin arm again clear ella so it was just a boxer sin here it's for my king it's acid Zarg actually in this so I might try them for this season so they might be the lucky ones so Uskra do suit intermediate so I might change out but yeah these are like the brain can weird for him like being we might just swallow routine book
As nar bhín rudí banithe agat bhil tú rá le go déon tú ag sagart an garúa agus éann tú rudí vanúdit nó you're banning bháile le isce ban.
It's just like Rudy chahans ma winter it's like medals ví taach no should like
as they got fleistin being like
no
an her
Go chud seir banní iad air.
No, like what can I think my kin spirit alta chuí áí and you go like you cringe le like sagart nu ni choing gin afran or anything like that like basically like pause go chogin hain all go on like just if mis if I can play to my best abilities like because if I play well as my Hollywood I can live with that my Hollywood is if I play poorly then thought I'm going to means locht so no I think what can spiritual marine like no the really bandy is literally like was that few cigar like it's just really chans Winston which is like the edition the gar is so not gal to I guess what is like Cid a hain Apple chip Tá na search agus tí a chonamid ní
an
sam
airtag
Baim si sin ó maihananta mar ag mai le pí creifóga a héanaisteach an envelope as chuinttíisteach am gáir stoppi sin thu ó timpiste car bhegad. It's tarlín sin in nachan chlán in Éireann sílam.
Yeah. The Padre Pio air freshener goes hard in an car. Simple na tíre like.
agus na Padre Pio medals tá is actually sin cítá sammálan. Bhfuil é piseoga agus sé fao dada?
Níl agam so like literally I suppose ní enam ein rod omíach so like níl ein rod go gaim a bheith like go gaim a piseoga a eldá whatever you know like go gaim you know even like few like are in like the seal parts that I don't know to me like really now spiritual like now like ní really credible ein rod so I'm just vibing and tamer fad like literally in ahan gnéad am a heel Tá mu just a vibe al hart agus níl ein rod gonneanní ma like dar you know dar bhaim ma ag rud igen whatever agus gur ma caiú like breisty area or whatever or like laney area agus gur you know gur chalín fern whatever mar hampla fucking na bows whatever like like ní acimiad ag buha rávinnic as in ever to be honest.
Hugh, dúirt is an umsa go gahan tú na péad stoci gorma seo chola night out, man na choú a chagan tú bógan tú ba.
No, ní sin fear. Ná stá a chur má.
Bhíonn sé má ahaníthe so tú rá just go gaiithn sé buir chéine.
Hey, look,
and I fucking stink.
You can't them aftershave go Hugh the hand because you're like, buddy, hold them on your feet.
Gurmaige James?
No, ní haágan
Little's finest? No, níl sin fear gurmaige. No, níl honest to God, níl ein piseoga yoga. Like níl ein rud gnéanam that I'm like, okay, caiim seo dhéanú in dói area, otherwise ní nach dar lai rud éigen mar sin whatever, like to be honest, like tá just Harvard chill in ahan gnéad am a heel, which is nice. That'd be crowdú sin ó arms.
Tá bh craimach ligan mar ní holamm bheith níos difriúla ó sin. Sílam mé mo híal gur pisrug mo híal omlan.
Yeah, as in like gen tú gach rud dhéanú.
An rud céine dhéanú ahan le lá nó bíon burtha nach mé an lá go maiid. I know, undiagnosed OCD.
Listen, you're my era.
Like tá OCD ag mo dheathair. So tá seans mai go bhfuil ná tá mis Albalton in mórm se banistíocht má anywhere, but
conceal, don't feel, don't let them know.
Nuair tá a hílom ná in a bisrug.
Tú sample like
just few like dói nar gúisi mar imagine gennom ahanrad in ord. Like few ó hé mé héna olbúd an lá bín céimena a ghlacham in ord leis sin dhéanú. So ní higlum ide ágal uair chléig or I dhéanú ar bhealach eile or I dhéanú mana bhfuil siad in ord.
Okay.
Yeah. Ach tá nuir sin clachtú go mar níis nar chuir sibh an ceistú dús hí me ar bí agam sa tá se go bra, but ní fi pisrú go iad. It's just céimena le cinú bhfuil síl suoine thugam.
ceap go mu go duna. At least bhím sé nach úach na chaicís mar ví a géimí an.
As ní mé gurí cumáid pisró go léich ar mai dhear an Padre, you know?
Yeah.
Tá mé nerv sef chuinir dagan agus dhear an Padre. Ní me gur pisró go léich ar sin, because ní dhear hin gur pisró go. I think sin níos mó therapy orintha? No.
Yeah.
Just, yeah.
Current the huigness as opposed to like,
I think
like a kind of
spiridalta like se cos le ite yoga or meditation, no, so ní léon pisrúgar sin.
Yeah, sin fair actually, really. Cos dum sé gopaid áit bhfuil sépal an, so an rud a bhí amsta sin na chola an láid ina contact an bhach má gopaid when you seach sin a bhach clé am ar seachtaine. So that's kind of place. It's a rud a bhíon mu gar dhéine na le piseogaí agus le bhéidir a páidirrá nó le a meditation nó rudcíns ri chluí. It's just more eating a hása a dhéana ní suúfnach. Seach go béit go burs agiise agus definitely is stoi gon
Story.
Dine tá a géisteach na is overthinker ma an seach nús gon burs aige
Oh my god.
ach sin just kam mo inting a chuneal gan bheith friggin jumpal cartwheels chuis mó cheán agus go
mar gin.
buganín suna yeah.
Yeah, ní overthinker me se ar Harvey, like literally in ein like
Aimime do híl có
Suamne?
go jazz go héisce cosúne.
The Éireann shit, it's just like they're tarling rudding or whatever, or not like that dirt thing in Ruddig and whatever.
Yeah.
Like could just more than I'm just like, yep, like shouldn't go home like Tarkler or whatever. Or like car being like fibedy or whatever, like like car jugum. Like was Jerry something like, you know, like Russian no like Tarkler or like, you know, like dirt shaw whatever. And I was like, Ben so much because more than I'm like, yeah, like Chuck Grant, like Jane Emily Tart, like what are you talking about?
That a chur relax go like the what níos relax was to just permanently horizontal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just having a good time. Just
You really just an tain Albert go diglam swineware is just ducklig in omlan is just go with the flow, just go with the flow, just go with the flow.
Yeah, much you go around like in film when time in kin is just and then just silence lie. Head empty.
Just lullaby.
Just kill the name that's on it's just like
Aon ran a verste just I canú.
It's you know there to The Simpsons it's like smooch feel ballet and it's like a bear seeing car but just general lupus these so whatever. It's like should miss it.
I'm sure he's mo humor a decorate up gan.
Oh
an seo feice mu na buin?
Bhí cuaach níos go dé haspan tú doin. An sin an trúr ganne?
Yeah, agus cúpa ceann go medals nu. Tá tríking medals nu an agus rá se medal. Tá bun ar an na chin, but it's a losing one with cúpa blianachan. Ní bhór man ceann rumors fós agus chin ó seo. Op Connemara agus op chearú.
Oh my god.
So
Tuairis go dohile.
Tuairis go dohile.
Yeah. Look, Brando, we're ag homas cuasa go scóil I was gantaí seostáid agus bhí ar an choranúid seasadígus bhí is sin an póster a bhí mas ar fád a saoáil si like tá si literally ar fád éis na posters a bhide le animach chu muide scíomh ar cool like you know chasfuil le ceann go aharacha na páistí version agus bhí si like rá cé a frigh bhí is íon na scíomh a anim na poster shots like you're like no like nipperbug if you can the coup playing the Easter get man you like raw I know go may regret that coup in about 20 years mission tassel to give the cool yeah
James will you sign my poster?
Ingwe do
yeah English
because was that the bear room vi ma gon Seachtain na gaige tá
Egypt.
Gnáfa. Seachtain, was that a seachtain na gaige seo tá friggin seachtain glán lá fucking gaige right.
See they're cute to Shasta Skull or what two or no like the Gale where you just like properly like you know like I'd say Roshad Cracker die actually is the ancient or and run the plasty like is Cumberland Grosh of his the ancient.
No, we like jerseys are gachten acu agus ví sé gachten ar animach.
Victory the James ar na ballí mai on like tá a gahan bháiste sí scoil sin faoin an tá siad liginna hacaí móra.
Yeah, I think we should go just go watch the brander and couple bléach and it's like moods cáile forward cluiche is watch the brand new sus is basically like raw what on earth is the point of engaging Emirates mathematics fad just got fun absolutely ludoed for the game like it's in like was that honey to the pathway go like tá tú just I Emirates go the odds agus tá seans an má dhéanann tú extremely má go tú go bheith ag Emirates ar fud fad na tíre go like parkanna I mean for you it's a Hyundai Emirates usually and then chomada sin má bhreanann si tíra speisialta option me sto bin chéidir bhí glóra acu ag park crocaí agus sin má bhreanann si túús agus an chuime de oh geez I say go bond mental it on 37 lads sin in isis mé all dimmer siid pe le chéile le hé tríhíhéag agus chuisi go park crocaí so bhí wa si brand suas is chonig mis the 1996 gang, that is a special bond. Being chin fós a mó like he had a goal, have the crack, they're best friends for life. It's sort of kind of is in this year. Like winning creates culture. So was that the Sudan commander chinning ease like a brand new shin. Like not even that. Like what's the like gamers can carry is it's just a bit of it's a healthy thing to be at like you give me sports because event team sports because just bundle of cards man. So I hope they see that aspect of it.
Can't relate. Sport cannot relate. Sorry, nope.
See Hugh, say for you're on Piseoga.
You're on Piseoga, shouldn't
A good sheer could see clean the hair next year. It ran the two is dead in the fortune text.
I'm cluiche Éireann agus an Fhrainc.
Yeah.
Oh no, I was my raw false in remote talent like I was just Bhí me sé an talog like blanca darm like PlayStation rud me le.
Rattle.
Like rattle, like listen, proper rattle hiúm agus má galig cinema le haid marathon bug dhéanú fásta.
No, Éireann ar fad bhím a fád díhain nuair cháin Éireann cháilte na for an áhá. So
yeah.
We'll be back. Ní a chola Six Nations ruachta. No was paid in a row, so I think agus té bhí díach na an trúr lads go gaiidir léid a bhí acu i gan sin na héan well ní gan sin na héing ar hálan na héan so go vis fu be an go grisá
Ach nach go try ag duna acu
ach fós like he'd probably prefer to win the match agus gan score all agus call le friggin 20 points like so
an thing sin major smó caps star an hair real like crazy absolutely
I think being go session dots me all is proper like they don't have long career like being green soccer but not like international level like the chin subbed in subbed out goonies is corp Ilson go rates absolute hell like it's just a scrum shit like Martin Dimmer is scrum it's fucking not fun at all it's just a shite shit like mat like count the three mat mar prop to hooker clogging them more a fucking sweaty at the heave agus that we just should war hog so they and then mat mar flanker
and is like sign me up
Jim mat mar flanker that you literally could the rolling is a friggin tune pair it also whore and do it's a back row that do idir raw friggin pelvic fucking sides of a man agus sin get back wat mar Pléann and Doris that do it's in the road can that hog in the shot but obviously they all get down and dirty like it's not like it's a scrum it's very very physical like
yeah but particularly down and dirty keep your mind out of the gutter
Kidanish a marathon bug
no vi ma genu mini mar there not many marathon as if like ma genu like
like be a 3 kilometer
yeah no we ma hain for my tax like an mall or an aine being like okay the lads or Kirk Hastram or Gary Akel Mickey 17 that's good in scannáin or Bong Joon-ho le Robert Pattinson agus hánig mac chuir a bheith ar siúil in cinema agus bhí scannáin eile an bhain Mulholland Drive atá gentle David Lynch nachró feiceann go fáil agus dúir le ar man well ar burlat Mulholland Drive eachtal cos basically níos tá tiispantíad beidir like uhain marall bhí sé mar part tá like in like séir seo ag ceú your man mar go worship wes and then chur an lad eile a group chat chuir faoi má arcamaidir an burt acu in the éile and I was like you know what son of a bitch I'm in so bhfuil just ag san ag lehanní chuig agus deag mu san ag sílam haar fan híineag I think san líe but James
na meha withered like
so bhí sása ar an 10 scanna so bhín ce scan an hasise lehanní chuig cruúní searfa carú hama 8 beagmuid formmuid brito agus sin bhfuimiidirráiste an sin don líológ agus hasí seo thfa caríon so
Agus céirt fao le na snacksnar a títíonn se mar deirú is marathon tan seo, so an lachan sibh go ré ó heh má mar popcorn ihe nó mar fizzy drinks bheith goh an mínar sort of tactical leis an méid hín agah.
Bímsa ní bhíon na lads eile ar brehantar na lads.
Níl I think go mo chorp like cho damage the woch mar cinema if choúr go le woch ma é bíonn like é bíonn I'd say woch ma.
This is literally Park Pella getting like battered about the place.
Agus go fihe pionta sa fóbbaní é.
Yeah.
To the joints and move that you now bug a heart like beamish like it made this movie in Pléann and that the mama he soccer if saves your father because Shanur seasons really suits. Whereas if I'm out and about like I think about a pork like 3 kilo the hike as well my feet are absolutely tau I guess sin I think goes to Bob ach sa Bob to shoot hard fishing should he I guess really tall like yes the cinema came from Oppenheimer I guess we ma actually like
Bhí sé róáda.
Bhí peannar sin like bhí me rá go man an seo pause go man an shoot hard fel like chuig numad and then we can resume but yeah bhí sé sin I say in 45 minutes dúnach go Oppenheimer bhí me like okay yeah tá this knee is aching tá brander just go gap daoine go man like 73
Aon team se leat because fiú dúsa bhhain bhah mo thuúla nimhnach in éon chéad cean because bín le cógeal as bhah mo clúsa nimhnach mar bíte cóglóraach na leonnta seo leis like an surround sound sin. Just in go generalta mohím suirt shriveled up in é scan an bháin mar tá like in éon popcorn lig siníthe agus ní tin éisce bhegad an bín just thursa bín tú réile go bhhaile ag labíine cean bháin.
No, but I'm actually really impressed in the industry like those full day cinema. We're like it shouldn't like like more challenge let the Kings like to get them to try and see like Anya in on mission of Anya like how we could survive that day in the Kings. So in cinema we got King cinema.
Lighthouse. So in Smith.
Agus cecho in the Seachan sin, can they recline or
No.
is it just a regular okay?
Just regular old seat, yeah. No, we should like see. I think of Brehancha are in the scannáin faster, like they're near the Woods and Lord of the Rings marathons. We shouldn't. That was crazy. Like that was what like triúr the scannáin like back to back whatever. But there's a class though, like as in like you could just totally get lost. It's the Sedontion, like there's Nero to even like we shall like in triúr is gushted the mahil because you're literally just Stisa cinema. Like, to do Stisa Don'shin, like Neil to switch your aim with that, like airplane mode or on phones, so, like no notification, like literally lost to the outside world or found la wension.
Sí sílam go ligan tusa de incin a bheitcáiltes na scannáin sin, like táú albalta switching off dhéanú, ní lehan den albalta sin dhéanú, bím se fós like, Tá má crí probably go tapaí ceapan ar wahú as glustal mí go na senses cóhaitan de tí scannáin.
Texas should ask false back.
Ní bhéon albalta an switching off sin dhéanamh chunne triúr deag. Bhéon na smí ar farcail mé mar sná ceart. Jason me generation seo cé bu ní me albalta so Branger an person that sinam.
Yeah, no, I was Beamsa locked in. No, mas cinema like because should have thought mas as much as meet you for your running chat or the Gary like heal and 100 to the fact you're just never gonna enjoy it heartbeat. Whereas like listen the scanner then a walk Mickey Jerry shotting you like Mickey 17 because Mulholland Drive you just kind of have to like let it vibe. Well, Mickey 17 is on my.
Well, shake my because Nero making a character go leaical.
Mickey 17 is on my. Like they're grand, like Jen and Sean job. I guess like the parts of that I think ground were Neil shot like Comoila Parasite, but like Nive Einrod Comoila Parasite. So it was never gonna be like the the like life changing Oscar winning like Scanlon of the and shit like what it could be Bléann and then Mulholland Drive is just unbelievable. So just like Doc Ratchet as in like an option letterboxed on the whatever it was like my score for a dog so I was like I actually can't even think of Einrod ní character just kind of no there's arch like I don't know mé dulí I don't know mé dul ogah seán is go háir I don't know céin cuma a mé ar nuair te se like manró tú gurchar sa cinema like the parts níón atá like bín canse like fuam was with immersion whatever agus like ús lá like orchestra agus like like oh they're like ar an tíh seo don stage whatever agus tagan na fuam ón tíh sin don cinema agus like an tíh seo don stage whatever agus tagar I don't know no bright sin nar about to gurker like sawala whatever but bhí sé just like bhí sé nós kill like puzzle box that scannáin because like it was a proper like mindfuck agus cin the lads near Hannick scannáin David Lynch Rio agus tá an like films like Martian so like near Hannick the Salsius was he was like cured the woman yeah gal he was literally just like what am I Wohima are those genius though because your own scan no honest to God because near Hannick on scan and river agus así ma hen agus jeffeki mahar like free tree or whatever was which yeah my Gary fod really figure out mugs like kin dói kin kiel a vila and work shogs blah 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 agus mar show well happens to shogs who my like choricta and then Hannick man the wall agus Hashma Gurker that's an Arkan you were standing and then Arkan was like something explained or like like ending explained or whatever if you mar Gurker kin in the fashion agus Dirt your man and Jirach and Rud Canning here and the this is their mission Lemachar like so and I was like I am cinema literate tema
Ross friends Unagi
Sílam growth a yonder for logins again phictiúrlann and seachtaine seo chu me se le Bridget Jones ekel and the boy wait well Bridget Jones feki ogah
then head de an feki gum agus sin marall gom an na honí le Dream Red and I was essentially
what is classic seeds tá si dínta granner
it's classic seed agus ví dínta grammar but ní bheith siad feice gom man na ró basically trid sa chapi and like céim fáil nach seo feice go fáil Paidreacha seánis well ma ansol sin cead fin you're crazy fin darna chin agus an yellow tree you can feice go fáil so
well gur dermagóní sin gur bheith Hugh Grant an character is fair so man bhfuil se sin cólárnach ní se cógranner. So an triú cean dearhin an cean is massa dír bealar na ro ná na churbe ach bhí se rast an cean dearna. So rinne siad gear siad Colin Firth amá. Worry siad é. Just killed him off. So
but now worry should Hugh Grant fought.
Yeah, just hardly se gur I'm she should dig Jared scannáin in ro actually more. Which is really a glór an character. Ach by Sean cean dearna. So I glór nostalgia an bhí glór de brónach I gcompar in eile bhín just grannar an bailach le tríd bhí glór bhí daoine cuiinú leis
sin the third thing í lom go like honestly scan bhí bhí se class bhí mar cuiinú an tamar fád and I was like seo scan an brin I was like what are you talking about
Bhín humor fós stíhan dói is fearr ach bhí an irid sin brona because bhí si daile le boss ar chéile so bhí muine le brona ag garcar sin and then hug siad arás na character lig ag an deire as you do just it was more gur gnéireann siad hug siad conclusion just an rud a lig agus gur groiste géirí na d'irse grid but ní hope se ní rohí me gur full on comedy a bhíon ag go pred leis na ghinile Will sé feice agus a James?
I don't think so. I don't think Bridget Jones.
Yeah, Bridget Jones Rio.
Not mission. Like no our radar so I don't think from the lads.
Need some walk like tá hard offer ní sin ab. So surely we should sitach at some stage. But like what the girl differentiating is that definitely Bridget Jones? And was that Love Actually? I wouldn't have a fucking clue.
Yeah.
Was that the question?
Or Notting Hill or could be
they're all a bit like
Neil Notting Hill Cusler Bridget Jones.
I thought Love Actually though, ton the characters like Colin Firth ton Ashton Canon.
Yeah. But that Bridget Jones one he's gone around now like Notting Hill.
Yeah.
No, Love Actually, I'm just considering patient. Love Actually, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Like Emma Hogan, we should probably end at some stage.
Maggie Oberwall you heard this James like all of that. As chattarás agus arálum an daing siad leat. Nílas go bí nach sílan goil na scan an granner. Tá siad an why.
Oh look like rounding Europe le Dinnikins ach ní am cé ní am de hiúdach éonisteach sa Cityroom nu se siúmra agus má misisiom héin a brother Bridget Jones kid a frigge cheappa it go
a man of taste.
Yeah.
like no shut am oberháile
Thug aine seo dú mar bháil sa caiime dhéanú.
So sé seo cúnam sa tochaí a bheit níos in touch le agus motions agus a bheit ná bolle le den kins agus yeah.
But they're just emotions and sin.
Emotions, yes.
The monarchy has Robin.
Oh, dúis me a chuis now that I pulled the piss out of it.
Okay, I was like
emotions.
What's more?
Hey Hugh.
Yeah.
Ceim go is an Dublin South. Ach ginger dú to go to gimmers PlayStation agus nach Russell go rugby everyone like okay, this guy has reverted back.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I was like, what do you? I was like, 1 second. I was like, surely the most Dublin South thing to do would be leaids and ruggers.
Bert mawam nach will blas gunning all got nar lorn to a merle. The coolest year in Glar radio who as him mission like I know that and that day Marie I was like geez baby go shambello to get a bilg actually.
Oh Moia. Oh Moia. Dins rud í faoit nar bhí maid cóismar Mahal cethir Urtman scéal seo díobh le just le Janie like couple of seachtaine chun bhí má ag kosher breithlad Mahal cethir agus tá se ag pásu ban as swords like aspála léamh agus dúirt bhfuil má le ag deir amsin ros cinna roise agus bhfuil má le muthir fiancé aige. Agus dúirt si say like kind on the Gerhar and the kind on the call care or whatever. Agus dúir me se well yes call care me agus dúirt si oh it must be because I can't understand a word you're saying with listen college whatever. She's like oh bloody $20 are coming in or whatever. So has she a rare shame. Then I quick woman in the Asian woman like courage the Mahal care as Clohania. Agus dúirt cin acu bhí se le chola tú an radio cat or chola le dúirt rotas ar an radio agus mar tá agus dúirte jeez cos bhí mar géisiart leat agus hí magur tu a bhíon, but níró dunaáil tráin a bíthú go de thar a bhí. So na daine is bailí clia ceapan go má rá únaál agus daine is den ná ceapan go má rá bailí clia. So
Hey, sin de arm look and that lone lie radio.
No mar kam catcha tell me the ran first gets the nish. What Jim Lane bitter gur cartage bogu wile.
They are reprogramming you know.
Hugh the pale car.
Yeah. Look, it's dub man, she hate to see it. Sinead. Don agra channel chats le gur máid vacation rís mu am jam man host muir Seansaí ar Instagram, Seansaí ar Twitter agus Seansaí ar YouTube.ca any amsta man hosta mar anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter agus anywhere TikTok mas James Amsta man hosta mar flyer talk ar Instagram, flyer talk ar Twitter agus flyer talk ar TikTok agus mas ma héna amsta man hosta mar Hugh Carr ar Twitter, Hugh Carr ar Instagram agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Rud a plugáil tá gailgarí a ráis a ríis a muire a mat géis le seo inniu ar an March be gailgarí ar siúil sa crackdown agus tá an íspéis le Colm O'Regan is tí ling ó Irish Mammies is sin so be crack den Sky agan agus is fair le the couple focail a úsáid. Ná be géis le couple focail because má hasan tú Lord ag an gig béimmuid ag má go fut. Seach na gig agus sanna díomh sum go tagan taú sé sí san similartíh
No, that's a dream.
Agus bhagan se folklórí bug faoi the chrán gléile. Agus sin an agus an seaú be drású leis agranú a go dtí sin buna í sult as an seachtain sláán.